Welcome my friends, welcome to YouTube channel and thank you so much for supporting this channel, spreading this channel. As I discussed in my last video, we are talking about the inspection of various major materials at site of HVAC system when they are delivered at site. We have seen what needs to be checked when we get chillers at site. The next component or next material is air handling units. Right? We are going to look at the inspection of air handling units at site when they are delivered. So what needs to be checked? These are a lot of things needs to be checked. We are going to go one by one. So inspection of HVAC site. First, we need to look at whether it's an air handling unit, whether it's a TFA, or whether it's a dedicated outdoor air system. We need to check whether what we are getting. Then manufacturer, approved manufacturer, and the person or the manufacturer of delivered HVAC site needs to be checked. Most importantly in HU, because we don't get much space, is dimensions. Unit dimensions of approved drawing and what is delivered site. There should not be any mismatch. Whether the unit is supplied in assembled condition or it is in knockdown condition. If it is knockdown condition, our responsibility becomes much more bigger because we need to check all the parts, right? We need to check blowers, filters, unit bottom tray, the side panels, the outlets, the VCDs, and a lot of many things when it comes to knockdown condition. When assembled conditions, life is a little easy, right? What is the type, right? Then cooling coils, whether it is chilled water or DX. What is the condition of the cooling coils? What are the dimensions of cooling coil? That needs to be checked. Slope, whether it's slope, it is given in drain tray or no. For easy draining of the condensate water needs to be checked. What is the rated cooling capacity? What is the rated cooling capacity? What is the rated dehumidified CFM of this unit needs to be checked. Whether there is a heating coil or there is a heating heater provision. What is the capacity of that needs to be checked. Orientation of coil, very important. Where is the coil connections? If you need it on the left hand side, if deliver right hand side, huge problems. Needs to be checked, right? Right. Supplier fan model, whether it's going to be EC fan, backward curve, forward curve, needs to be checked. What is the airflow rate? What we call is CFM of the unit needs to be checked. What is the fan power motor? Which is the motor? What is the make? What type of motor? Again needs to be checked, right? Number of fans per unit, whether it is a single fan, dual fan, needs to be checked. What are the fan builds? What are the sizes? What are the numbers? Needs to be checked. What are the vibration eliminators? If it is part of the scope of supply, needs to be checked. Orientation of fan sections, again an important aspect. Whether it is top discharge, side discharge, bottom discharge, needs to be checked. If there is an energy recovery wheel, we need to check its size, depth, its material, that is the MOC, and the motor. What are the filter types? What are the number of filters, right? What is in the filter size? And what is the number of quantity? Orientation of filter sections, again an important aspect, right? All factory built measurements, instruments in place. If they are not supplying the instrument, but at least the provisions are there to put your measurement instruments inside the unit, that needs to be checked, right? Electrical connections, if it is factory built, again needs to be checked. Volume control dampers, supply, return, pressure, if it is part of the scope, again needs to be checked properly. Canvas connection at the outlet, sometimes we find the outlet canvas connection is missed, so there is a recirculation of the air within the unit. Everything needs to be checked by competent people. We should not leave it to any other person. We need to get the test certificates, the warranty certificate from the manufacturer. Most importantly, the damages to the coil, to the unit, the exterior damages needs to be checked. This gives clarity that what we have ordered is received at site. So this is all about inspection of AHU at site. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajajkazi.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.